Now I'm going to show you how to create your assignment by downloading and completing outside of Teams. Here I've clicked on my bridge activity. Yes, you can see that it is late, but that's only because I'm doing the tutorial now instead of before it was due. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to come to we're going to read our instructions. We're going to come to our reference materials, and we're going to tell it to download. We're going to tell it where we want it to download. And it's going to start downloading. Okay, I've downloaded it. Now I want to go find it. So I'm going to go to my files. I'm going to go to my bridge activity. I've now opened it, and I'm going to send it to the printer. And of course, you would have it set up to print straight from here. I do not have the printer set up on this account. So you would print it out. Okay, so now let's say you have printed it out, you have completed it, and now you want to take a picture. So you would use your cell phone or your Chromebook and take a picture of each of them. And now you want to add that and upload it. So here I'm going to go to Add Work. I'm going to go to New File. Oh, excuse me, I'm not going to go to New File. I'm going to go to Upload from the device. There we go. All right, and I have already gotten one of my homeworks answers. So I'm going to open that. And you can see now it is uploading it to turn it in. And once you finish the first page, you can do the next page if you have several pages. Cell phones also, you can do an app that changes pictures that you take into PDF files, which makes it quicker and faster. And you can put multiple pictures into one document and upload it all at once. I know for I have an Android, and the name of that is, let's see if I can find it. I can't find it. Let's see. Maybe it's in my apps. The one that I use most of the time is called ScanBot, and it literally takes whatever photo you're taking and turns it into a PDF. And like I said, you can take multiple pictures. Okay, once it has finished uploading, you have here your homework example. You're going to click Done, and you can see it has attached it right here. And then you click the Turn In button. And you can see here, it tells you the date and the time in which you turned it in. And of course, if you left off something, you can always undo it and return it in. There you go. And you can come back here and look for your completeds. And here you can see these have been completed, and you can go back and take a look at them at any time.